Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Victory 1 men's shower slide. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike Victory 1 men's shower slides, and this pair is in men's UK size 16, US size 17, European size 51.5, Brazil size 50, and it's in the midnight navy white colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by pulling out the box flap on the side and sliding the Nike Victory 1 men's shower slides out from the box packaging, and of course checking through to make sure we've removed everything from the box packaging. We can close it back up and set it back down and to the side, so just setting it on the left hand side of the tabletop and just setting the contents across the tabletop, which we've just removed from the box packaging. Of course, these are just the strap trees, so just setting them on the tabletop right there, so you have a full and clear look of the contents from the Nike Victory 1 men's shower slides box packaging. Okay, let's first start off by taking a look at this card here. So there is a shoe tree, a Nike branded shoe tree, and just taking a close-up look at the details. So the shoe tree or hanger for the slides. So just setting that to the side, so setting it on the right hand side, the Nike hanger. And now taking a look at the Nike Victory 1 men's shower slides in the midnight navy white colorway. And let's take a look at the hang tag that's on it, so you can see the details that's on it right there, the sizing and the product code and various details. Okay, so just tucking that to the side, and of course removing the strap trees from the slides, so you have a more clearer look at the slides. So let's focus on the left slide first, so just setting the right slide in the background so it doesn't interfere as we focus on the left slide. And let's do a 360 rotation so you have a full and clear look at the slide. And now taking a closer in look at the details, so we can see that it is a one-piece molded design and it is made from foam, and we can see the various nub details along its matte finish. So we can see on the foot strap the Nike swoosh in white with a raised nub design, and of course we see that nubs continue on the footbed of the slide, and once again another Nike swoosh in the heel. And of course one thing to notice is the holes for ventilation and especially drainage in shower or wet situations. And of course taking a look at the side details, so you can see the texture of the overall design of the slide. And of course from the back as well, once again we see a fine grain texture on the side of the slide that continues right round towards the inner side of the slide, and once again continuing towards the front and the edges of the foot strap. And now taking a look at the sole or bottom of the slide, And once again we see the kind of nub design of the traction pattern or tread of the sole or bottom of the slide, and we can see a groove right around the inner edge of the slide for drainage and ventilation. So you can see 4 holes around the heel area and many more towards the front or forefoot of the slide. And to give you some sense of its texture, just rubbing and dragging my finger along its surface, and of course tapping the various parts of the slide. And now I'm just going to show you the overall firmness or softness as well, just squeezing on to the foot strap and taking a look at the behind or underside details of the foot strap, and we can see that it is slightly textured as well, similar to the consistency of the outer edges of the slide. So right there you can see that texturing for grip. So right there, giving you an overall sense of the overall design of that foot strap. So completely crushable and pops back into shape. And in terms of the foam design of the footbed, so just squeezing the various parts of it so you can see just how that foam and its density responds to just simple pinches with my fingers and thumb. Alright, now let's do a flexibility bend and twist test with my hands to give you some sense of the responsiveness and flexibility of the slide. So right there, giving you a sense of its overall responsiveness. And now let's take a look at the right slide. So I'm just going to pop that sticker back on right there and just setting the left slide in the background as we look at the right slide of the Nike Victory 1 men's shower slide. And once again, let's do a 360 rotation with this side of the slide so you can see its overall details in one go. And once again, taking a close-up look at the details of this one-piece molded shower slide with drainage hose. And now let's take a look at the pair together side by side. And from the front to the back. Directly from the back. And the bottoms or soles of the slides. So that's the Nike Victory 1 men's shower slides. Thanks for watching and happy walking!